बज रहे हैं 10:30। पीछे आपको पहाड़ दिखाई दे रहे हैं, धूप है चेहरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा। ये है टेरेस यहाँ जगह की, एंड यहाँ से एक अच्छा ओवरव्यू आता है। मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, एंड ब्रेकफास्ट भी अच्छा था। ईमानदारी से को हमने सोचा था कि भाई जैसे होता है ना कि बुफे वाला सिस्टम होगा या वैसा कुछ होगा, उसके हिसाब से कर लेंगे, एंड जितना कुछ है सारा कुछ ऑर्डर कर लेंगे, ये वो कहते नहीं, एक डिश मिलेगी, एक 1 पर्सन 1 मील। जो महंगा था उसके हिसाब से वो देख के कर लिया। वाह! अब यार धूप तो हो रही है, ऑनेस्टली कहूँ जैसे पहाड़ों वाली जो वाइब्स है ना वो सब नहीं है यहाँ पे अभी हाल फिलहाल में। एंड आज की प्लानिंग यही है कि एक बार यहाँ पे मोनेस्ट्री है वो एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, और कुछ होगा वो देख लेते हैं। दूसरा रूम भी अपग्रेड होगा हमारा, सिर्फ ये व्यू और बाकी धूप और कुछ नहीं। चलिए चलते हैं, आपको आगे जाके और दिखाता हूँ और जगह के बारे में बताता हूँ क्या है क्या नहीं, धर्मशाला में क्या घूम सकते हैं क्या नहीं। तो ये पानी ढूंढ रहा है या कुछ खाने का। एक ये है और एक वाइट कलर का है, दोनों यहाँ सिक्योरिटी करते रहते हैं और सिक्योरिटी के नाम पे कोई नहीं है।
Summer Palace of Dalai Lama, located in Lhasa in Tibet. So Norbu means like a precious or the jewelry, and the Lingam means like a park, like a garden. So we just call as the precious park or the jewel park. So it was founded in 1995 by our Tibetan exile government Prime Minister Mr. Kisanshi and his wife Miss Kimishi. So she's from France. So all the architect was the Japanese people here. So it's a 6-acre property. So we have a lot of section inside. So today in our tour, so I will show you like a main workshop here.
So this is combined 6-acre property.
6-acre property.
And starts from there.
Yeah, start from here.
This
from the
starts from
entrance.
there, from the entrance. This is the guest house.
Yes, we have a restaurant. We have a
Restaurant over there.
cafe. Yeah, we have a restaurant. We have a cafe. We have a guest house. Okay. So including
And
them, we have
before
6
we
acre.
proceed further, may I have your name, please, ma'am?
So my name is Lhamo, L-H-A-M-O.
L-H-A-M-O.
Yeah, Lhamo.
So you belong to this place.
Yeah, I'm from Ladakh.
You're from Ladakh.
Yeah,
That's
I
a very
studied
beautiful
here
place.
before.
Ah,
Yes.
that's great.
Yeah, so like see, so 6-acre property I told you, right? So like that, so we have lots of section inside, right? So today I'm showing you the main workshop here.
Right.
So this all workshop are like a based through the order. So through the order, so we just making the product. So we also export through the international and domestic both. So inside we have a superior shop. So inside the shop you can see all the finishing product there,
Correct.
right? And one wood carving and wood carpentry both, right? So inside the carving, like I'm showing you the workshop one by one. So in all workshop we have an employer, we have a student, like a both together. So for a student it's like a 3-year courses. For carving, wood painting and thanga painting also. So the courses is like that, so they should be knowledge about the art and craft. And also we have an entrance exam for students, so it's like a practical exam.
Practically.
Yeah. So if they clear the exam, so all 3-year course is a free course for students. So this one is a Trust Institute, it's a charity one. So inside the carving, so we're using a pine and teak wood. Pine one
And
and
that is available over here.
yeah, in a local area, in like
Okay, pine wood trees I've seen in Jibhi and other places.
Yeah, you can see our local market.
Yeah?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Pine one. So they're using a pine one.
These
Like
are the
Jansan.
sign of 8 auspicious.
Auspicious. So you can see
This
the-
is elephant.
No, this is a white conch.
Ah, looks
Yeah,
like.
conch. So definition is right in there.
Right.
not finished yet. So we just open up like this.
So it is like a mini temple.
Mini temple. We're just saying a secret temple also.
So is there anything more inside?
Yeah, of course. Inside we're just keeping a statue.
Oh.
So you can keep any kind of statue you want.
Any kind of
Any kind of statue.
And this is all made of pine wood.
It's a teak.
Teak wood.
Yeah, it's a teak one.
Okay. So they have this pattern and then ये सब handcrafted किया जाता है सारा कुछ.
From here. So like.
These are
see-
also hand painted.
Yeah, it's all on the hand painted. So you just see from here. So in the wood painting, we have two types of painting here. So it's like a 3D one and it's like a 2D one. So most of them are like a jewelry boxes, tissue holder, and the photo frame also. So in the like I can told you the 3D one. So 3D we're using a syringe.
Okay, this is particularly 3D,
Yes, a 3D.
three-dimensional,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
made using a syringe.
Yes. So
Okay.
inside the syringe, we're putting a distemper, Fevicol, and the water.
Okay.
So we just mix up like a paste, then we just put on the syringe. So it look like a mehndi.
Wow.
Yeah. So like through the
Yeah,
syringe.
it gives that 3D
Yeah, yeah.
effect.
So through the syringe, we just design first, like a border
Rough
parts.
design, bordering.
Yeah, of course. After done the design things, then we just do coloring. So instead of wood painting, we're using our poster color, like a water-based color. After done the coloring, then we just do varnish it to protect
If
the
I
color.
say that I buy this, what is the actual lifespan of this wherein you see that this does not get faded up?
Excuse me, I didn't got it.
For example, I bought this thing.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
What is the ideal lifespan after which we can say this will get faded up or something will happen?
Yeah, so you can change in our shop.
Change in our
Yeah, so they will
No,
give you
usually
the
how much
product.
they last? The design, this color, this. They don't get faded up?
No, not faded up because of we're just putting a varnish thing, so that's why.
Is it waterproof by
Yes,
the
a
way?
waterproof.
A spill proof,
Yeah,
waterproof.
of course.
And can be used for keeping napkins or
Yeah,
jewelry
yeah, of course you can
box
do
and
that
anything
also,
that you
yeah.
can do.
So
And
in
this
our-
is a customized design made to
By
order or
our-
your
yeah,
own design?
Yeah, yeah. Through the order, so we're just making it. So some product we're just selling inside the shop too.
Okay.
Maybe a shop inside. Inside the shop you can see all the finishing product.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've seen that thing.
Yeah.
These
Yeah,
two.
yeah, of course.
There was a room on the ground
Yeah,
floor.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so these are all 3D.
Yeah.
This looks very good. ये देखो कितना सही है यार. एक्चुअल में ना ये 3D इफेक्ट आता है पूरा इसका, जिस तरीके से जैसे मेहंदी वगैरह लगाते हैं ना, पूरा बॉर्डर बना के देन पेस्टल कलर्स को यूज़ करके ये किया जाता है. इट्स ग्रेट.
So after filling, after the coloring, so you just see from the border base here. To the border, so we're just using a gold.
Yeah, this is gold.
Yeah, no,
Actual
it's not actual border basis. To the border, you can see this is a gold, but it's not a pure gold.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's just like you can see the poster.
Correct. Thangka.
Thangka. Now I'm telling you. So the term of thang is like a flat surface, plain surface, and the term of ka is like a painting.
Okay, painting
so
on
the
the
painting
flat
on the
surface.
flat surface, so it's called thangka. So it
Thangka.
was started before in 7th century. Still, we just preserved it. So in thangka painting, we're using a natural color. It's like organic colors. It was made by stone.
It's made by stone.
Stone, like a color stone. Color stone, which is ordered from Rajasthan.
Okay.
Right? And also we're using a 24 karat gold. A pure
Real
gold. Gold we just ordered from Nepal.
So this is the costliest
Yeah,
that
this
you
is
have.
very costly. So it was
Thangka.
writing on the canvas.
Paint.
So now you can see it from here. So these all are the 24 karat gold. You can see the white one, the color, these are the natural colors. Otherwise all
This
things are the
is
24 karat
the
gold.
copper color, this gold color is actual gold.
It's a gold, it's the actual gold.
Wow.
It's a 24 karat
And
gold.
you were saying that something is used from Rajasthan.
Yeah,
What
so
is that?
the color
The color that
Yeah.
is here.
and the white one is So this
So
are
this
the-
symbolizes something, or it's a
yeah, so
creation?
it's our god.
It's God.
Yeah. So it's,
Okay.
this is we say in Sanskrit it's a gombo bang.
Oh.
Gombo bang.
So he's killing someone.
Gombo bang is for the positive energy.
Positive, and he is.
Yeah, yeah. He just destroyed the evils.
Yeah.
Yeah. To complete the one painting. So I'm saying approximately it must be around like a 60,000.
60,000.
Yes.
Wow.
Without borders.
Without
Without border.
borders means the frame.
The frame.
Oh.
Frame we're just using a silk.
Wow.
So that's why.
What's the costliest you have?
60,000.
No, what's the costliest?
Cost is maybe around like 2 to 3 like something like
10
that.
to 3 lakhs.
Yes. So there's a Buddha. Right?
So this is actually made by one person, like sir is making,
Yeah, 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 of
or
course.
different people come
No,
and
no. So A to Z done by the one person.
done by one
Well,
person.
starting
Approximately
from-
taking
yeah.
1 month for
Making
that.
a canvas by oneself. Making the sketching by oneself. Making the coloring by oneself. So making the gold by oneself. Yes, of course.
Wow.
So this is all the gold and this is all the natural color. So all the body of
This is like the rough sketch that is done before, and then it's painted. At the end, it will be done by gold leaves, correct?
yeah, of course.
Wow. They don't write their name or something
No,
like that,
no,
like
no.
who made this.
No.
And,
You don't have to do like that because this is for the selling purpose.
yeah, it looks very good. No, you don't write your name as well, the institute
No.
name on it?
Yeah, no.
Not even
at
the
all.
institute name.
No. So
जगह तो बहुत अच्छी है इंस्टीट्यूट, बट धूप बहुत तेज है। मज़ा आता है ऐसी जगह घूम के, बट गाइडेड टूर हो तो ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेटिव हो जाता है। अदरवाइज़ चीज़ें वैसी रह जाती हैं, आधी अधूरी की आपने देखा बट आपको समझ नहीं आया। ये जो आपने देखा था ये था लास्ट फेज़, इनका लास्ट पार्ट, जो एक तरीके से वैसे कहेंगे जहाँ पे ये वाली पेंटिंग इस तरीके से करी जाती है। सुंदर भी है और महंगी भी। थोड़ी सी भी हवा चलती है ना, बहुत सही लगता है। एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा है वैसे पेड़ों के हिसाब से, बट इस साल की गर्मी इतनी है यहाँ पे।
similar as Thangka painting, but different is that fabric is made by silk, and ours is a patchwork.
So this is basically for the framework, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And this is more expensive than Thangka painting one
Huh?
because it's look
Silk.
like 3D one,
3D.
and it's will not like destroy very easily. Thangka painting with इसके ऊपर अगर थोड़ा सा पानी लगेगा तो ये कलरफुल निकल जाएगा।
आपको हिंदी आती है?
थोड़ा सा आता है, ज़्यादा नहीं आता। So the master will give a details like that, right?
A rough sketch.
Yeah. So we're just putting a small hole on the details, and this is of silk, right?
Correct.
So we're just putting the details on the silk, and they're just rubbing the chalk powder,
Right.
so the details can come on the silk, right? So then we're just using, you can see the pencil to draw it.
Rough sketching.
Yeah, rough sketching. Yes. After that, he's just giving to the people from him. So he just cut the pieces, and the ladies can join the pieces together, and they just start to stitch it.
Okay.
Yes. Things like that, you can see.
Yeah.
अब ये it's like one detail.
Final.
Yeah, one final details.
And all is from silk.
Yes. So one interesting thing is that, so inside the threading, you can see, we just separated the threading with the pieces. And inside the threading, so we just using a horse here, horse tail,
May I touch it?
not this one. You can't touch it, you know, you just see, we just separated the threading together. So inside the threading, we just rubbing a horse tail inside to make it strong. Yes. So that's why. Yes. It's
Wow. It's very costly, no?
yeah, of course.
It's very beautiful. इस तरीके से ये पूरा बनाया जाता है सारा हैंड क्राफ्टेड एंड बहुत सुंदर। अभी तो सब ये एक पार्ट है, देन फाइनल होके अटैच होके उस तरीके से एक वैसे पूरा स्टिच करके ग्रेट
Stitch करके फिर सीखो.
लाइक दिस ऐसे फाइनली बिकम्स लाइक दिस। ये भी गॉडेस
She's a goddess.
बहुत सुंदर
Basically, we have a 21 Tara.
Like mình this.
So she's a white Tara.
Fit it in the masa. It is really
So this will be sold finally like this only or with
Yeah.
the frame with the
With
background?
a frame.
With the frame.
Background we're using a silk.
Background as
Yeah.
and approximate costing of such?
So, अच्छा, तुमको तो कौन खाते हैं?
Oh, must have shown
No
No
idea.
idea. Sorry. But in the South Karnataka state.
Okay, Lossell Doll Museum, no?
Yeah. So this is the meaning of Lhasa. This is the name of monastery.
Okay.
So it was in the South Karnataka state.
South Karnataka.
Yeah. So these all dolls are donated by the Losaling monastery monks. So they just donate here. Yes. So the description is written on the podium already. So you can check it one by one. Take the pictures. You can do that.
Ancient history में जैसे चीज़ें होती थी ना, but इतनी सुंदर जगह, ये जगह कौन सी है?
ये तिब्बत में होते हैं.
ये लद्दाख से भी वो है, ज़्यादा सुंदर है।
Tibetan is very similar.
वेरी सिमिलर। ये बेसिकली डिपिक्चर है कि पहले कैसे रहते थे, किस तरीके से क्या था, बट कितना सुंदर डिपिक्चर है, इतनी सुंदर नेचर तो कहाँ है कहाँ नहीं पता नहीं। इनकी ड्रेसेस भी कितनी सुंदर है। दिस इज़ लाइक अ पिकनिक स्पॉट सॉरी, जैसे पिकनिक करते थे ये वो इस तरीके से। जानवर भी कितना, ये रेनडियर
Deers.
डेयर। Nomads of the northern plain. This is what basically, ma'am?
Milarepa.
Milarepa. Okay, yo.
Yeah.
Wow.
We have like a 42 kings.
1, 2, and 3.
I know
Like
these
the-
three are the main king.
These 3 are the main kings.
Yeah.
And you have 42 kings
Basically, we have 42 kings.
till date.
Till the, how to say, when we in Tibet, I think around like which century, I guess? Like 86 to 86 century.
Yeah.
Yeah.
617 to 698
Yeah.
century and this.
Yeah.
तो ये उस तरीके से किंग का सिंहासन वगैरह ये कह सकते हैं या वो है। सुंदर, इनकी ड्रेसेस भी अच्छी हैं, कल्चरल भी बहुत है। दिस इज़ बेसिकली शाम डांस। बॉन्ग्स बेसिकली जो डांस करते हैं ना डिफरेंट, वो कोटा पहन के इस तरीके से ये डिपिक्ट किया हुआ है एंड बहुत सुंदर है। ये डिपिक्ट कर रहा है थ्रोइंग ऑफ टॉमर्स। अगर आप इसे रीड भी करते हैं तो एक ये यहाँ पे एक तरीके से फेस्टिवल है जहाँ पे सद्दू एक केक बनाते हैं उसका एंड देन उसको बर्न करके विल एनर्जीज को बर्न करना, वो डिपिक्ट किया हुआ है। एंड ये पीछे क्या है मैम? द व्हाट इज देयर ऑन द बैक साइड?
Potala.
पोटाला।
Potala is a summer, like a winter palace of Dalai Lama. So it was in Tibet.
इट्स वेरी
Potala is the capital city of Tibet.
This is also made of gold.
Yeah. So this is the market of our Tibet. This one.
is basically a market scene that is in Lhasa, Tibet. A general depiction of that. कुछ भी उनके ड्रेसेस बहुत अच्छे हैं. Amdo.
Yeah. And here's the Lhasa. Is the main capital city of Tibet.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, we have a present, like a past, present, and future Buddha. So the center one is our present Buddha. So it's called Buddha Shakyamuni.
Buddha Shakyamuni.
Shakyamuni. Gautam Buddha is sort of like a past Buddha.
Past.
Yeah, and present Buddha is the Buddha Shakyamuni. And like a future Buddha is, we're saying Champagombo. Yeah, Kyawa Champagombo. Yes. So now just see here.
And all these are handcrafted, ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
Everything here.
Everything is handcrafted, and this statue is made by our previous master, previous metal sculpture master. So he already passed away, and body are made by the copper.
Correct.
And
And it
colors-
took him so how much time for it, ma'am? Approximately to make. It's a very long.
Yeah. So the
Starting
feet of,
from here, yeah.
yeah, the feet of Buddha is like a 14 feet.
14 feet.
Yes, but I have no idea how many
How much time it took?
it takes. So this is done by the applic, not the applic. This is done not done by the applic, but this is applic walk. But this is done by the master, the like old workshop master. So they just combine it and they just make it together. So before we have like a 20 master, 20
Okay.
masters. So it takes 1.5 years to complete it.
Yeah, but it's very long. It's quite
Yeah.
long. It's very beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत creative है. कितना अच्छा design है. आखिरी जगह रह गई वो है यहाँ का क्या कहेंगे शॉपिंग मार्ट जहाँ आप सब कुछ देख सकते हो एंड खरीदना चाहो तो खरीद सकते हो. थैंक यू मैम. दिस इज बेसिकली द आर्ट शॉप.
Yeah. Okay.
थैंक यू मैम.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yes.
तो कैसा लगा ये? अच्छा. क्या अच्छा?
मुझे नहीं पता.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
लाके जी ये था हमारा एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ नोबलिंका इंस्टीट्यूट का. आशा करता हूँ आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी. यहाँ का ट्रेडिशन, यहाँ का कल्चर, जिस तरीके से सारा कुछ ये कर रहे हैं, प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट, यहाँ का एक एम्बियंस जो भी है, या मेरी मेहनत अच्छी लगे, कुछ भी अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना। आप देखते हैं आगे धर्मशाला में क्या है, वो चीज़ एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। जब छाया में आते हैं तब अच्छा लगता है। बाकी भैया धूप बहुत है, जगह बहुत खूबसूरत है। वैसे अगर बारिश हो जाए या ये सब हो जाए जैसे बताया जा रहा है ना, महीने 1.5 महीने बाद जो मौसम यहाँ पर ट्रांजिशन लेगा, उस समय भी अगर आना हुआ तो उसका एक्सपीरियंस, उसका अनुभव भी आपके साथ शेयर करूँगा। टिल देन आई विल सी यू ऑन द अदर एंड।
Peace.